Get ready to go wild with some unbelievable bear facts. Did you know that bears have the best sense of smell in the animal kingdom? They can sniff out food from over 18 miles away. Bears are expert hibernators, slowing down their heart rate and breathing to conserve energy. Some bears can hibernate for up to 5 months without eating or drinking. Despite their size, bears are excellent climbers. Some species, like the black bear, can climb trees as tall as 100 feet. There you have it, just a few of the amazing facts about bears. These incredible animals continue to fascinate and inspire us with their unique abilities and adaptability.